Welcome to HDA Trading Empire. It's been a while I've posted a video on weekly outlook, and today I'm bringing that for you. In this video, we are going to analyze the forex market and see what is likely to happen in the forex market this coming week. But before we dive into the chart, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every video and educational content I drop. See you in the chat. We first look at major news on Forex Factory. Move to Forex Factory and look at major news for this week. Now, if you look at Monday, we realize that Monday is a bank holiday in England, so trading activities won't be that effective in England, which is in relation to the Great Britain pound. Now on Tuesday we have USD major news, which is the consumer confidence news, then CPI news from Australia, then we have the CPI news from Europe, then GDP from USD, then unemployment claims, then we also have GDP from Canada, which is the Canadian dollar, then Euro, then USD. Then on Saturday we have a news concerning the Chinese market. Now you have to note that the Chinese market or the Chinese economy has serious effect on the forex market because China is known as one of the biggest economies in the world. We first start with GBP AUD, that's the Great Britain pound and the Australian dollar. So now with this pair, I'm bullish on GBP AUD. I'm very bullish on GBP AUD. So the reason is that you can see that price has broken this zone or this structure here. There's a break of structure over here, right? You can see this break of structure over here. So realize that price has broken this structure over here. So now price is giving us a retracement or a pullback. I want to see price retrace, then give us that upward movement, right? So now I want to see price retrace to this area here. So I want to see price move down to this key area here. I want to see price move down to this key area here. I want to see price come down over here. To see price come down over here. So when price gets here, which is on the 4-hour time frame, I then move to the 1-hour time frame and look for buying confirming candles, then buy GBP AUD. So this is a simple setup on GBP AUD. I'm very bullish for GBP AUD for this coming week. So all what I want to see is I want to see price come down to this key zone over here. Then when price comes down to this key zone over here, then I look for buying confirming candles, then buy GBP AUD. So this is a very simple analysis on GBP AUD. Our next pair we'll be looking at is NZD USD. So that's the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this pair is bullish currently. So now meaning that I'll be looking for buying opportunities in the market. So this is what I want to see on NZD USD. So we first find our key levels on this chart. So we have this key zone over here, we have this zone of interest here, then we also have another zone of interest over here, we also have another zone of interest over here. So a very simple analysis on NZD USD. So now this is what I want to see in the market. I want to see price drop down to this key zone over here. Then look for buying confirming candles on the 1-hour time frame, then buy NZD USD. Or it's likely that price might break this structure downward here. So when price breaks this structure downward here, I want to see price come down to this key zone here. And when price gets to this particular key zone here, I look for buying confirming candles on the 1-hour time frame, then buy NZD USD. So now with this current pair over here, we have two scenarios here. We can either buy on this particular key zone here, this particular key zone here, or this particular key zone. So in case price breaks this key zone here, we wait for price to drop down to this key zone here, then we look for buying confirming candles, then buy NZD/USD. So this is a very simple analysis on NZD/USD. The next pair we'll be looking at is AUD/USD. We'll be looking at AUD/USD. So with this pair over here, you notice that the current trend of this market is a bullish one. So we'll be looking for buying opportunities in the market. So we first identify our key levels which we are going to buy on. So we have this first key level over here. We have this key level over here. Then we also have another key level over here. So they can all be found on the 4-hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. So now this is what I want to see in the market. I want to see price drop down to this particular key level here, then look for confirming candles, buying confirming candles, and buy AUD/USD. Or I want to see price do this. So in case the market breaks this zone downward here, then I'll be targeting this zone rather, then look for buying confirmed candles and buy AUD/USD. So what I mean by buying confirmed candles, so if you don't understand what buying confirmed candles are, I've made a video on candlestick confirmations on my YouTube channel, so I'll drop the link in the description so that you can have access to it and watch it. So now this is a very simple analysis on AUD/USD. So we are just waiting for price to do what? Tap into one of the zones, then we look for buying confirmed candlesticks here. So in case price gets to this particular zone here, then price doesn't give us a buying confirmed candlestick and price breaks that particular zone downward, then we'll target this zone over here, and when price gets to that particular zone, what we are going to do is that we wait for buying confirmed candles and buy AUD/USD. So this is a very simple and short analysis on AUD/USD. Now the next pair we'll be looking at is USD CAD. So on USD CAD, so last week I caught this trade on USD CAD. I entered at this point over here, then we saw a drop in price over here. So USD CAD retraced to this particular zone here, then give me a candlestick confirmation on the 1-hour time frame, then entered into this market as a sell. Then we saw the drop in price on USD CAD. So now for this week, I'm still bearish on USD CAD. So let me get rid of all these zones over here and draw another zone. So first of all, we have a key zone here. So since the market is a bearish one, we'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. Then we also have another key zone over here, another zone of interest for USD CAD. So this is a very simple one on USD CAD. So now this is what I want to see in the market. So first of all, I want to see the market retrace to this key zone here or this key zone here. So now when price gets to any of the key zone here, we look for selling confirming candles like a bearish engulfing candlestick or a shooting star candlestick before we sell into the market. So I want to see price tap into this zone here, then give me that selling confirming candlestick, then sell USD CAD. Or it's likely that price might do what? Price might break this structure over here upward. So when price breaks this structure upward here, I want to see price tap into this particular zone here, then give me that bearish confirming candlestick, then sell USD CAD. So this is a very simple one on USD CAD for this coming week. So I'm only bearish in the market for USD CAD. Our next pair we'll be looking at is gold. So now on gold, if you ask me what do I think about the market structure, I will tell you that this market is a bearish one. So I'll be looking forward selling opportunities in the market. Now the reason why I'm saying that this market is a bearish one is that now we can see a change of market structure over here. Now first let's do this together. So we realize that gold was at first bullish. We saw this impulsive move here, then give us this retracement over here, then give us this impulsive move over here. So now we're expecting a retracement to any of these points here, then we see that buying continuation, but gold failed to do so. Then gold came down up to this point. Gold break the market the structure downward here. So let me show you the structure that gold broke. So gold broke the structure over here. So now we have this break of structure over here, which is also a change of character or a change of market trend or structure. So I can see that gold has changed its trend now. So now I'm bearish on gold. So let me get rid of this. So I notice that gold has broken this structure here, giving us a downward direction over here. So now since it is a downward direction, I'll be looking for selling opportunities in the market. And now we have this key zone over here. We can identify a key zone over here. We have this key zone over here. So now I'll be waiting for gold to tap into this particular zone here. I'll be waiting for gold to tap into this zone here. And when gold taps into this zone here, what I'm going to do is that I'll move to the 1 hour time frame and look for selling confirming candlesticks, then sell gold. So this is a very simple one on gold. I know some of you will still be thinking about buying opportunities in the market. So for me, in my opinion, I'll be looking for buying opportunities for gold if gold breaks this particular structure here. So when gold breaks this structure here, then meaning that I'm in an uptrend now. So when gold breaks this structure here, for the buy scenario, I'll wait for a retest or a retracement to this key zone here, then look for buying confirming candlesticks, then buy gold. So this is a very simple analysis on gold. So I've given you both sell scenario and buy scenario over here, but my main bias is bearish. I'll only buy if gold breaks this particular zone upward here, then gives me the retest or a retracement. So now our last pair we'll be looking at is EURUSD. So for EURUSD, we can see that the current trend of the market is a bullish one. So the current trend of the market is a bullish one. We'll be looking forward buying opportunities in the market. So for buying opportunities in the market, we are going to identify our key zones, and we can identify this key zone over here. We have this zone of interest over here. Then we also have another zone of interest over here. We also have another zone of interest over here for EURUSD. So now this is what I want to see on EURUSD. I want to see price do what? Retrace or retest this key zone over here. And when price gets to this key zone over here, I'll be looking forward to buying confirming candles and buy EURUSD. Or it's likely that EURUSD can do what? Break this structure downward here. So when price does that, I'm going to wait for EURUSD to tap into this zone here, then look for buying confirming candlesticks and buy EURUSD. So this is a very simple analysis on EURUSD. So I'll just be looking for buying opportunities on this particular pair for this coming week. We've come to an end of our weekly analysis. Now if you find this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any question concerning this analysis, or if you think that we haven't analyzed your favorite pair, do well to comment it in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to analyze that particular pair for you on our next weekly analysis. You can also join my Telegram channel to get free forex signals, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the description down below. If you are interested in free signals, you can tap on it to join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, guys.